This is the complete guide to messenger policy changes and how to do messenger marketing after January 15th, 2020. So if you run an e-commerce business and you're wanting to grow a messenger bot subscriber list and be able to market to them, well, your days are over, it's done, this is the worst, this is the worst. Man, I am so frustrated with this. Man, it's like the days of the past are now gonna be in the past, and we're not gonna be able to do some really cool marketing stuff like we would have been able to do. Well, now, I'm actually shooting this right now in December 2019, but once January 15th comes around, man, it's gonna really kind of suck to do messenger marketing. And if you have a massive list of like 10,000 or 20,000 messenger bot subscribers, it's gonna be very tough to reach them without running ads, without, reach them for kind of free after January 15th, once they kind of close the door. So before I jump into this entire overview and guide that we have here, just wanted to quickly tell you about two quick things. If you're wanting to learn messenger bot stuff, Facebook ad stuff, then you gotta get access to my 100% free digital marketing course. Head over to freebosslifestyle.com either now or after this video. Get access to my 100% free internet marketing course. It's gonna teach you sales funnels, copywriting, all that kind of stuff. And it comes with a bunch of templates. So you get 2 ClickFunnels templates for sales funnels, and then you get a messenger bot template for free. It's a shop-in messenger template. It's pretty legit. Head over to freebosslifestyle.com. And the second thing is, if you're wanting to outsource Facebook advertising or messenger bot work or copywriting or the marketing for your business, basically, then me and my team would love to work with you. If you want to jump on a call with me and talk strategy, talk about how we can build your business, grow and increase your sales, then head over to evolvemedia.agency. You can book a call with me. Actually, I forgot to mention, in the nav bar at the top, you'll see Done For You services. Click on that. Look at the landing page and you'll be able to book a call with me. We can jump on the phone and we can talk about your business and how we can work together and help you scale that. So now let's go ahead and jump into all of the messenger policy changes and the, man, I'm seeing a lot more bad news. Maybe I just need to be more optimistic about this, but it's hard. It's hard to be optimistic when I'm about to cover what I'm about to cover. So anyway, let's dive right in. All right, so basically I'm getting all this information from the ManyChat blog. I'm right here on the ManyChat blog page, and they have conveniently released this full guide going over the messenger changes and all that kind of stuff. So basically I'm just gonna go over this guide with you, explain it further, give my 2 cents and my little thoughts on it. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So bottom line is that the 24+1 rule that was, potentially a thing is no longer a thing. It's just the 24-hour rule. And you can only message people within 24 hours of them actually interacting with your bot. So if you want to be able to message them outside of that 24-hour window, then it has to only be for basically 4 reasons. And it's like 4 reasons that do not apply to like 99% of the sellers out there. First of all, it cannot be promotional. Okay, and it can only be for, let me go ahead and show you these 4 reasons. So basically the 4 message tags are either confirmed event update, post-purchase, account update, or a human agent like a customer support, things like that. So first of all, confirmed event update, like not many businesses are doing event marketing. Let's be real. 90% of the businesses that are doing this messenger bot stuff is e-com sellers. Are not doing events, so that already nixes out all of them. Post-purchase update, like come on. A lot of these people that are using ManyChat are trying to get purchases. It's not after the purchase. Like we need to use the messenger bot to actually get a purchase. So post-purchase is pretty tricky. I mean, how do you even define post-purchase? Is the purchase on their website? Could it be on Amazon? Could it be within the messenger? I mean, there's little gray areas and things like that, but bottom line is if you try to work within that gray area, Facebook's just gonna shut you down. I mean, Facebook doesn't ask questions. They don't give you a warning. They just shut down your page's ability to send messages. They shut down your Facebook page. So I have a feeling that January 15th to February 15th, a lot of Facebook fan pages are just gonna be shut down. And a lot of people are basically gonna be cut out from their Messenger subscriber list that they've been building over the past couple of years. I mean, I've got about 5,000 Messenger bot subscribers in my list, and I'm pretty much not gonna be able to message for free, and when I say free, and when I say like this, I mean like, it's not technically free because I'm paying a monthly subscription to ManyChat. So, but basically, if you discount, if you don't cover that, it is free. Okay, so I won't be able to message them for free. I'll have to pay to message them, and I'm gonna kind of give my 2 cents on to how you can actually contact people and some ideas that I have for being able to open up that message window again. But yeah, let me go ahead and move forward with this. So anyway, post-purchase, account update, and then human agent. So you have to literally, you can't automate this. You got to actually go in there and literally message people. So let's go ahead and scroll through here. Also, they give you a nice little cheat sheet on this page. I'm going to link this blog below. So in the description, you'll see the link to this, but you can also download this little policy changes cheat sheet. It's not too informative. I mean, it just kind of shows you the time window, non-promo, promo within that 24-hour rule, and then anytime after that, it's non-promo, and it's only for those 4 reasons. So they got an awesome table of contents because a lot of information is covered in this thing. So why is this happening? I mean, does it really matter? But anyway, it's because user experience. Facebook is all about their user experience. They want people to not be spammed out. They want the messenger experience to be not like an email experience. Obviously we get a bunch of email spam. We get an email junk folder. And anyway, what this is causing people to do is now people are going to have to start doing more SMS marketing and more email marketing. So it's like, I was so excited about this whole messenger bot marketing stuff. But it seems like the fun days are now over and you're gonna have to pay to play. You're gonna have to pay to be able to communicate with people in Messenger, and you're also not gonna be able to have a multi-day, like let 2 or 3 days go by and then hit them with another message. You're gonna be incentivized to hit them multiple times within the first 24 hours that you actually get them into your bot. So let's say you ran a Facebook ad, you get them into your bot for the very first time. You are now incentivized to like hit them 10 hours later and try and get them to interact with your bot, because if they don't within that first 24 hours, window's closed, you cannot message them at all. So I don't really like that rule. I mean, that whole ability kind of incentivizes you to kind of spam people out a little bit more by hitting them so often. It also encourages people to use SMS and email stuff. I am personally not a fan of SMS because it just seems like such an invasion of privacy, and it's super annoying. Like the second I get any SMS text from any brand, even if I love the brand, I'm instantly typing stop, and I'm trying to just get off their list because I don't want to be hit in text. And then it also says, try to get their email. So a lot of the stuff in this blog is telling you, basically ManyChat is pushing SMS and email. They're a platform that was built within Messenger, but now they're kind of saying, look, like they're subtly saying that you need to start growing an SMS and an email list. Obviously, they can help you with that. You can pay them even more money to be able to use their SMS and email marketing. But basically, you're back to email. And for me, as a marketer, I don't want to spend my money or a client's money to build this massive messenger bot list when I don't own that list. You never own it. This is very clear that you do not own your list, because if you did own it, you'd be able to contact them whenever you want, right? Like email. You can send an email, even though I don't recommend this, you can send an email once a month if you wanted to. You clearly can't do this with Messenger anymore. So a lot of this stuff, they're teaching you like how to prepare your existing flows and how you need to set up your tags with those 4 tags that I mentioned, which for me personally doesn't even apply because I don't do event marketing. Post-purchase, kind of applies, but I'm trying to get more people to just purchase in the first place. And then even post-purchase, you can't be promotional. You have to just be talking about their order and stuff like that. And then there's the human issue. I mean, bottom line is I am pretty frustrated about this change that's happening. So my 2 cents on how to get around this is basically by running ads, by running Facebook retargeting ads. So in Facebook, in the audiences section, you can create a custom audience of people who have messaged your page within the last 10 days, 30 days. You create your, I think the max is like 180 days or some number, right? But you create a custom audience of people who have messaged your page within the last month or two, and then you run an ad on them and you say, hey, we've got this incredible special offer or something, whatever your offer is, or you get a free digital download, or you're gonna offer them a free product or whatever. You hit them with that retargeting ad, they click on that, now they're back inside your messenger bot, and that 24-hour window is now open again. So Facebook retargeting ads, right? You gotta spend money in order to just reach your people that you already got opted in as subscribers. Kind of frustrating, but I'm gonna be whining a lot during this video because honestly, it sucks, man. It's like for people, literally, I have clients that have like tens of thousands of subscribers, and those subscribers are gonna be completely wasted. All that money and efforts that we did to get those people subscribed to the bot are now gonna be gone. So here are a couple of reasons right here as to messages inside the 24-hour window that don't need to be tagged. Here's a list of actions considered a subscriber interaction by Facebook. So defining that a little bit more. A subscriber sends a message to a business page. That's what I talked about with the Facebook ad. They click that ad. It then sends the message and initiates that message. I think that would also be Optin through a growth tool using the JSON growth tool. A subscriber clicks the menu button. They click the post back button on a message. Not too sure what a post back button is. Clicks on a quick reply. The get started button on the welcome screen. So that could be like your growth tool from the Messenger ref URL. Clicks to, so Facebook click to Messenger on a sponsored ad. So I mean, and then a subscriber clicks a message link inside an SMS or email step. So again, they're pushing SMS and email. So if you have an email list, that's great. You can just send an email and then push them over to Messenger. I mean, what this is really gonna come down to is like, if you are going, like for me in the past, I would use getting an email as like a plan B. I was trying to get them in Messenger first, and then I would just get their email as just like a second way to reach them, a plan B. Now it's like you have to get their email as well, because I'm not really considering SMS. I don't wanna be an SMS marketer. It just seems like I'm gonna piss more people off than I really want to. So I'm looking at this more as like email as the alternative. But yeah, pretty much everybody who comes into your Messenger bot, you now have to figure out a reason to get their email address from them. It's tough, man. It's frustrating because like, what's a good reason to get somebody's email address? It's like you already have them in the Messenger subscriber area, right? That's like the best way to communicate with them. So how do you think up a way to also get their email from them? I've been using giveaways for a long time to, get a second entry by giving us your email address. And so now you're gonna have to really push hard to get that email. So we're back to where we were before, which is mostly email marketing. So in this area right here, it's talking about messages sent outside the 24-hour window. So smart delays that are longer than 24 hours, sequences, rules that trigger a flow or sequence, using any kind of third-party integration. I mean, it's gonna be tough you're gonna come across as slightly annoying because you're trying to keep people within that 24-hour window, right? So you're gonna, naturally, us marketers are going to shorten our sequence timeframes to being within the 24 hours, maybe 20, 21 hours, so that we can send it to them and then still get them to engage and see that as soon as possible to open that window and keep that window open. But all of my my sequences that I like to do within Messenger are usually 2 to 3 days, 3 to 4 days usually, but ManyChat is gonna prevent that from happening. So basically, if you have a message triggered to send after 3 days, it just won't send, it won't reach them at all. So ManyChat is gonna protect you. You probably won't get your page shut down because ManyChat has their safeguards in place and they probably won't let you. But yeah, man, I feel like this is the end of email follow-up, like sequences, follow-ups. And and hitting people with content, like getting people into your messenger bot to then be able to hit them with a message saying, hey, I just released a new video, or hey, I just released this, or hey, you should check out this, and hey, we're doing this special where it's going to be challenging. You're just going to have to spend money on ads to retarget them. And then I feel like Facebook is going to roll out at some point down the line. I feel like they're going to be, you spend money to reach your own subscribers. So in the case of my clients that have like tens of thousands of subscribers, you can now, spend money to hit your own 25,000 subscribers at a CPM rate. Spend money to actually reach them with your message outside of that 24-hour window. So it really, it makes you want to go ahead and get their email address. And we're just back to square one with email marketing and low open rates and low click-through rates. I'm sad. I'm sad about it. All right. Well, I hope this answered some of your questions. 24 hours, man. Get phone numbers. Look at ManyChat is saying get phone numbers, email addresses, and consent, because don't just get their phone number and they don't know that you're going to hit them with some marketing. Get their phone number, get their email, and then get them to consent to receiving marketing messages and stuff. But I get it on Facebook's part. They're just trying to keep Messenger non-spammy and fun to be in. They're not trying to scare away all their users because they're opening the gates to us marketers that like to spam them a lot. But in a way, they're also incentivizing spammy marketers to try and hit them, keep that 24-hour window open. And I don't know. Ask customers for permission. Always got to do that. If you're, leave a comment below. Let me know if you're going to try and start doing the SMS marketing and collecting phone numbers. Me personally, I don't want to give, if I know that a company is going to be hitting me with SMS, I'm not going to give them my phone number. I don't like that kind of marketing at all. So I'm not going to be one of those users that give out my phone number. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to be switching over to SMS marketing and be doing that in a heavy way. Let me know your thoughts below about what you think about this 24-hour rule. How are you going to change your sequences? How are you going to change your business? Are you going to start doing more Facebook retargeting, just trying to hit your audience with ads to be able to then get them back into the messenger bot and get them marketing in? But yeah, let me know your thoughts below. If this video was helpful, hit me with the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe down there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Oh, and if you haven't yet gotten access to the free course, or if you want to book a call with me, then do that now. Free course is at freebosslifestyle.com. You can learn a whole bunch about Facebook ads and sales copywriting and building funnels and growing your business online. And then if you want to book a call with me and work together with me and hire me and my team to help you grow your business, head over to evolvemedia.agency. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.